Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create animal portrait on Crayon. Unleash your inner artist with Crayon's AI art generator as we dive into creating mesmerizing animal portraits. Step 1. Open the Crayon AI art generator, your gateway to boundless creativity. Step 2. Type out your vision for the animal portrait you are imagining. For instance, portrait of a husky dog wearing a robe, watercolor painting. Step 3. The moment of magic arrives, click on Draw and witness Crayon's AI bring your idea to life. Marvel at the result, a unique, captivating artwork that captures your concept. Remember, you can create animal portraits of any kind, from lions to eagles. It's all up to you. Experience the artistic enhancement on Crayon today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.